I'm Jasmine Hong, and this is my Assignment 3 presentation on blended learning for Education 131. So for summary, the definition of blended learning is any time a student learns at least in part at a supervised brick-and-mortar location away from home and at least in part through the internet with some element of student control over time, place, and/or pace, which was from the assigned reading. Some examples include students participating in online learning in class while learning certain concepts through instruction from the teacher. The benefits, as seen in the assigned readings, include providing flexibility that students and instructors require, allowing time for face-to-face engagement in online learning, and enabling students to work on course activities at their own convenient time and place. So rotational learning is actually a type of blended learning strategy in which groups of students are rotated from learning through the instructor, doing an in-class assignment with their peers, and online learning. The main components of blended learning include having a seamless connection between online and offline work. Teachers must have a direct and obvious connection to the work done face-to-face. Increase student collaboration and control, so allowing students to have control over either the time, pace, place, or the path that they're learning on. Obviously, this depends on the age of the learner and the curriculum and content for the year. When the information is online, students can access this at home. And third, the online classroom presence. So the online classroom presence must be managed, and normally this is done through learning management systems such as Schoology or Canvas and other various websites. And last, repurposed time. So repurposed time allows time for teachers to meet with students one-on-one or allows students time to collaborate with their peers on assignments or group projects. My reaction. So in the current 21st century, I believe that technology should be utilized within the classroom and outside to help students further their educational opportunities. From an educator's perspective, blended learning allows instructors more time to assist students in more one-on-one scenarios. Students will also have time to go over concepts learned in class and have time to work with their peers. They will also have time to ask teachers questions on topics that they are still confused on. So after learning a concept from the teacher, they can move to online instruction, which will further their knowledge on the topics just learned, and then they could collaborate on assignments and class activities with their peers and learn through them also. I also agree with the assigned readings, videos, and video lectures in their justifications to blended learning, especially with allowing student control over time, place, pace, and path. Students can easily access materials needed for refreshments or learning from their laptops. The only issue I have with blended learning and technology in general is providing access to students to those who do not have mobile devices or internet connection at home. If the online learning was accessible during school hours for students who do not have access, such as through computer labs or bringing laptops to the classroom, then blended learning and learning with technology should be the future of education. Thank you.